Hello dear students, welcome you all in the online lecture series of Basic Mathematics. Myself Mrs. Deepali Jori from KK Polytechnic Nasik. Once again welcome you all. Let's continue with our topic matrices. It's a fourth video of matrices. So now in this video we will discuss about cofactor matrix and adjoint of matrix. So let's first see how to find cofactor matrix of any matrix. Cofactor matrix can be obtained for any square matrix only. So this also you have to remember that for any square matrix we can find cofactor matrix. So let's consider a 3 by 3 matrix first of all. So it's a 3 by 3 matrix, 1 minus 2 2, 2 1 3, 4 1 minus 3. So while finding cofactor matrix of this given matrix A, see cofactor matrix is denoted by capital C. Your cofactor matrix is again a matrix of order 3 by 3. So now for this first element 1, actually these are the cofactors of all the respective 9 elements. 1, 2, 3, there are 9 elements in your matrix. So for every element there is one cofactor. So collecting all those cofactors into a matrix, that matrix is called as cofactor matrix. So instead of calculating them separately, we are going to calculate them into the matrix itself. Okay, so to find cofactor of this first matrix 1, so first element 1. For this first element, you just have to go on hiding the corresponding row and corresponding column of that particular element. So for this first element, the first row and first column get eliminated or forgotten. Remaining 4 elements you just have to write into a 2 by 2 determinant. 1 3 1 minus 3, 1 3 1 minus 3 without shuffling them. Okay, and now see, everybody can see the signs here. The signs are compulsory in alternate form. You have to start with plus, so plus minus, then plus, then minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus. Alternatively you have to give the signs. Do start with positive sign always for a 3 by 3 matrix. So this is the cofactor of that first element. Next, for the second element minus 2, its cofactor is, here the sign is minus, into the determinant of, now for this element we are going to calculate. So you have to hide the corresponding row, corresponding column of that element and write the remaining 4 elements as they are. 2 3 4 minus 3, 2 3 4 minus 3. Then for the last element, the first row, for this element 2, hide the row, hide the column. The remaining 4 elements are 2 1 4 1. See, they are 2 1 4 1 here. You just have to compile them into a 2 by 2 determinant. Next, for this element, for all 9 we have to calculate. For this 2, this element, hide the column, hide the row. Which are the 4 remaining elements? Minus 2 2 1 minus 3. See, minus 2 2 1 minus 3. You just have to put them as they are. See, the sign is minus here. Next, for this middle element 1, we will hide second row, second column. Its corresponding row and column. Second row and second column get hidden. So the remaining 4 elements are 1 2 4 minus 3. 1 2 4 minus 3. Next, for this third element of second row, for this element we will hide second row and third column. Identify the remaining 4. 1 minus 2 4 1. See, 1 minus 2 4 1. Okay. Next, for this element is the cofactor at that respective position. So for this element, third row, first column get hidden. Minus 2 2 1 3, minus 2 2 1 3 are the corresponding remaining elements. Next, for this one, this element, third row, second column we have to hide. Remaining elements are 1 2 2 3, 1 2 2 3. Okay, and the last plus, for this last element minus 3, hide the row, hide the column. 1 minus 2 2 1, 1 minus 2 2 1 is the cofactor matrix. Okay, so this way you have to write that cofactor matrix. For each and every element you have to identify the cofactor. Do remember the signs. Okay, and put the elements. Draw the 2 by 2 determinants there. Next, you have to further calculate. See, this is the cofactor matrix which we have identified in the previous slide. The same I have copied here. That same matrix I have copied here. Let's do the calculation. They are just the 2 by 2 determinants. You further have to expand them. The expansion is already known to you. Left to right minus right to left. So minus 3 minus 3. This is minus 3 minus 3. Minus 6 minus 12. Keep those signs outside the brackets. You first expand the determinants. Further multiply. Okay. First do the calculation of bracket just. Expansion first you have to do. Then multiply by the sign at last. So minus 6 minus 12. To avoid silly mistakes, you have to do it. So 2 minus 4. This is 6 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 8. 1 minus minus plus 8. It becomes plus. Next, minus 6 minus 2. 3 minus 4. 1 minus minus, again it becomes plus 4. That way you have to calculate the corresponding addition subtraction. I hope you can do. And this is that cofactor matrix at last you will get. For a 3 by 3 matrix, your cofactor matrix will be again of order 3 by 3. Okay, so this way you have to calculate that cofactor matrix. Now let us see how to find adjoint. To find adjoint of any square matrix again. Adjoint of any square matrix is simply a transpose of matrix of cofactors. This matrix of cofactors we have already seen. Okay, how to find. So adjoint of A means what? It's simply a transpose of matrix of cofactors of A. It's a transpose of that C. Okay, let's see one more example. This is your matrix A of order 3 by 3. See, the cofactor of A is, see, minus 1 for this. Again, each and every element you have to find the respective cofactors. Again, there are 9 cofactors by giving alternate plus minus signs there. Okay, the calculation is actually not so hard. It is simple, but you have to take the care of signs there. Okay, so this is your first cofactor of this element, minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3. Next 3, 4 minus 2, 0, 3. Right? For 2, 4, 1, 0 minus 1. We will hide this now. Column, row. So 4, 1, 0 minus 1. Hope you can do it. The calculation you can do. In the previous slide we have discussed. Let's go further. So this is the matrix of cofactors. See, 1 minus 12 minus 4. Minus 11 minus 3 minus 1. Okay. After calculation you will get this 3 by 3 matrix. And at last you just have to write it's a transpose. So this is a 3 by 3 square matrix. So while writing its transpose, you will again get a 3 by 3 matrix. But what we have to write? The row into column. So the first row is 1 minus 12 minus 4. 1 minus 12 minus 4 becomes first column. Second row becomes second column. Minus 11 minus 3 minus 1. Third row becomes third column. Minus 8, 6 minus 30. Okay. So this way you can find out the adjoint of any matrix, any square matrix. So these are some examples. You can try for these examples. You can, the answers are also given here. If it is not clear, you again go through the video and do the calculations yourself. Check whether the answers are correct or not. And do give me the feedback. Thank you. And we'll stop here.